You have a steady paycheck from your 9-to-5 job, which is fine, but you know deep down that you've always wanted more money, freedom, and flexibility. So you finally decide that it's time to act. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best passive income methods in 2021. So let's go. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10, profitable opinions. Online surveys aren't the most profitable type of passive income. However, the risk is extremely low. You don't need a lot of money or sophisticated investment strategies. There are countless websites that offer paid survey opportunities. All you need is a little bit of time. Number 9, REIT. If you want to get into real estate but don't want to manage your own property, REITs are a good option. You can put your money into a real estate investment trust, or REIT. These real estate companies manage their own properties, but they avoid paying high taxes by distributing the majority of their profits to their shareholders. That is, you can buy stocks in these companies and invest in them. Number 8, public browsing. Did you know you can get paid to browse the internet? Many businesses are interested in what you're doing online. They collect data from your search history and use it to inform companies about what you use on a daily basis. Some people now want to protect their privacy and secure their online data. If so, this method may not be suitable for you. However, if security isn't an issue, give this method a shot. Companies want to see what you're looking for, so give them a peek while making money. Number 7, media assets. If you're creative, turn your ideas into media assets. A media asset can range from a photograph to a podcast. Every time someone uses your creation, you earn a small amount of money. Choose the type of asset you want to create, and then use your creativity to put it together. If you enjoy traveling, you can edit and sell your photographs. Publish your artwork online if you know how to draw or animate. You don't have to be a trained professional to sell media assets, so put your imagination to work. Number 6, cash back sites. You can earn money by making online purchases. Many online services provide cash back options. These services compensate you for purchases you would have made anyway. Cashback companies collaborate with well-known brands to provide you with substantial discounts on their platform. You can save up to 50% on luxury and everyday products. You're buying the same items from the same stores, but you're saving money every time. Number 5, rental income. If you own a home but do not live in it, renting it out may be the best option for you. Assume you own a house that you don't live in, and you pay a mortgage and property taxes every month. You're losing money despite the fact that no one lives there right now. You can, however, turn that net loss into a cash game. You rent out your property to another person. They will live on your property and pay you a monthly fee. That money can be used to pay your mortgage and those pesky fees. Whatever is left over is placed in your pocket. But now comes the tricky part. Maintaining a rental property can be costly. If your property requires extensive repairs, you may find yourself spending more money than you are earning. As a result, you must strike a balance between profits and expenses. Number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer loans are an excellent source of passive income. A peer-to-peer loan is monetary lending from you to a borrower via a third-party source. There are several online marketplaces where you can invest in peer-to-peer loans. These loans do require a larger initial investment, but you will gradually make more money due to interest payments on your investments. Unlike the other methods of income we've discussed so far, this one can be particularly risky. Number 3, paid microtasks. There are numerous small niches in the internet where you can make money. Certain platforms, for example, will pay you small sums of money to complete a short, simple task known as microtasks. Receiving emails or watching short videos are examples of microtasks. Some websites will even compensate you for playing online games. Among the most popular platforms are Inbox Dollars, which provides a wide range of microactivities, and Misplay, which specializes in simple online games. Number 2. Retail flipping. Although retail platforms sell every product under the sun, many people are unaware of the value of their items. To generate a passive income, you can resell these low-cost items for a large profit. Retail flipping is an effort-based game, which means that the more effort you put in, the more money you will make. You can find a consistent source of discounted items if you conduct thorough research. Number 1. Informational products. Your interest may have nothing to do with your profession. However, you can make money doing what you enjoy the most. By producing ebooks, video courses, and instructional guides, a wide range of homegrown experts create informational products that educate millions of people. You can turn your hobby into a reliable source of passive income, and the best part is that you only need to put in the effort once. In 2021, creating and publishing informational products is easier than ever, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. So guys, that was for this video. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe now and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. And finally, thanks for watching.